Today we are going to create a vehicle profile using Autoturn. From the Autoturn window, choose the vehicle you want to create from the vehicle menu. You have a wide range of vehicle to choose. You can scroll down and select the vehicle. You can also search the vehicle using a keyword. I am searching a truck. Select the vehicle and click OK. After selecting the vehicle, click the Insert Profile command. You can choose a layer for the vehicle profile. Now just click on the point where you want the profile. We got a profile with all the information about the vehicle.